again with the Licata group. We're at 327 Birchside Circle. Let's go take a look at it. Beautiful day today. Got my cameraman Aubrey with me again. Aubrey, say hi.
Hi.
This one is on the fourth hole on Lakeland Woods Golf Course. It is 1,548 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. When you come into the house, you come into the living room. Living room has a gas fireplace on it. It also opens up, and there is a dining room off here to the side. Let's go look at the back 2 bedrooms first, and then we'll check out the master. All right, right here, there's the downstairs bathroom. It's shared by these 2 bedrooms here. The one on the right, good sized bedroom. No overhead light, but it's got a good sized bedroom. Right on the 4th tee box, you see people teeing off right now. That's kind of fun. More on that later. This has a big closet in this room as well. All right, so this is bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. Linen closet first. It's good sized second bedroom as well. Carpet throughout the house. Good job. All right, watch your head. We're going to check out the master bedroom over here. Oh, we just bumped his head, but he's a professional. He kept that thing rolling. All right, here we go to the master bedroom. Master bath. Got a little carpet thing going on here. Got a big closet, giant. Oh, we're gonna look at that closet. And of course, it's got a library back here, but show them the tub in there. It is a handy, capable tub. Coming back out this way, there's a linen closet right here. And then we're going to show you the garage. The garage is off the master bedroom. We're just going to do the overview of the garage. It's a 2-car garage, plenty of space. You can have a little workshop back there. And there's a little back step too to the back deck. Come on through to the back of the house. And I like the stonework, the mantle in the living room. It's nice. Got a little hearth down there. It's a big country kitchen, open kitchen. You can eat in it. It's got a stackable washing machine there. Those are built-in pantry. This is a little closet here with your trash. L-shaped kitchen. Good open space. You can certainly put a table right here, no trouble. Like I said, this is on the 4th hole, so I'm going to show you the back deck. My favorite part of the house. It's got this hot tub right here. I'll be showing that. The hot tub conveys. It's got a handicap access here, which is very nice. Got some awnings, so if you're fumbling for your key, you don't want to get wet. You won't get wet while you're fumbling for your key. Let's show them the golf course over here. This is the 4th hole. There's the tee box right there for the seniors and the ladies. So if somebody hits your house, it's going to be a really bad shot. You probably will never get your house hit. At least not by me. Somebody else might do it. Let's see what else I can tell you. It's 1,568 square feet. House was built in 1989. All right, this is Keith Neely with the Licata Group. We'll see you then.